household waste that gets sent to landfill consists of mostly organic waste. For example, food, paper, cardboard or wood. Others are plastic or tin packaging. Composting will reduce this matter somehow.
Hi, I'm Lalita. Today I'm going to tell you how to make compost. You only need 3 things to make compost. That is food leftovers like banana peel, onion peel and tea powder, and dry leaves and cocoa peat. Then you need a big bucket lit with holes.
First, put dry leaf as a first layer and kitchen scraps as a second layer. Then cover the scraps with cocoa peat or dried leaf. Repeat this process until the compost bin is full. Keep aside the full bin for up to 4 weeks and your compost will be ready. Composting is actually very simple as long as you make sure to add the right proportion of browns to scraps. You will eventually have beautiful nutritious homemade compost to use in all of your plants. As individuals, we have the potential to make a big difference and together we can change the world. Happy composting and bye!
Hi, I'm Shiyamala Subramaniam. I'm a herbalist and recently I do YouTube videos to give awareness on kitchen compost and how to start home garden for beginners. I came across Creativity Never Stop 4.0 Bengkel Suntingan video Penerbitan Filem Pendek from social media. First, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Kementerian Komunikasi dan Multimedia Malaysia and FINAS under PRISMA Initiative for arranging an useful program during this COVID time. I have built my video editing skill more creative way during the 5 days. I had a very good learning experience with the Godigitalclub coaches as both are very attentive. It was a well-organized program. Buvna and Nanda are very professional and skillful on passing knowledge to us. I also learned about YouTube channel setup and opportunity on publishing video contents in local OTT channels. Thanks again to all the organizers and the teams. Looking forward to attend more FINAS program in the near future.